Everybody, welcome to Santa Clarita's real estate market update. Today's going to be day 284 of 2024. That's October 10th of 2024. What we're going to talk about today, along with the actual local inventory breakdown, we're going to be touching on some key national headlines and how they relate to the market here in Southern California. But first, let me get into the daily real estate inventory. So currently in Santa Clarita Valley, this is going to include all the cities: Canyon Country, Castaic, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, and Valencia. Coming soon listings 9. This is posted in the past 7 days. 72 new listings have entered the market. 57 properties have had their prices changed. 28 property have gone back on market. 39 have gone into escrow. 44 have gone deeper into escrow. 61 have closed. That means actually sold. 6 have expired. 10 canceled. 8 put on hold. 2 have withdrawn. So that gives us, as of today, the 10th of October, 537 active residential real estate listings for sale in Santa Clarita Valley.